Hi, my name is Shanti Kumar V. You can see my profile on the LinkedIn. Google my name, you will get all the links for websites and YouTube channels. Here the topic is how the AI cloud architect is getting premium salary globally. We're going to discuss it. So here, when you see AI cloud architect, you need to work on different activities. So strategically, you need to take care of infrastructure, which is related to the quantum computing also, and you need to work on clustering basis for containerization and ML ops, LLM ops pipelines also, and vector analysis for maintaining the data platforms, and also security compliances. You need to see like regulatory compliances for that particular business domain. And then you need to see higher impact of these parameters, how it is impacting the business. Are there any issues globally that need to be identified it and fixed them. Then monitoring for drip and performance also, it is very essential. Now let us move forward to other slides. This is the second slide for AI Cloud Architect. What does an AI Cloud Architect actually do it? So he'll, as I discussed in the previous slide, some of the activities are listed here. AI Cloud platforms, you will be building it, and the GPUs, TPUs, infrastructure you will be building, and ML ops, LLM ops pipelines you will be building it, and vector analysis databases you will be preparing it from the legacy database systems for processing through AI systems like agentic AI, agents, such kind of things. Then AI governance, you will be scaling up stage by stage in the organization. Then business transformations, you will be looking for that. You will take some kind of prioritized use cases. Those can be implemented for AI practices. And while implementing practices, you will take care of the required things also. Now let us move to next slide. First, let you understand the globally what are the salary bands for this particular role. Portfolio command premium salaries worldwide I have given here. The skill sets get interviews globally also nowadays because remote positions are open and they are not getting in that country also. These kind of skills. The portfolio get premium offers. Obviously, what is the portfolio? You have performed it through a coach, portfolio based profiles, or you have done in a company in your old projects. Those are going to be considered for portfolio based projects to prove the skills in the market. In India, if you see, lowest is 55 to 90 lakhs per annum, highest is 80 to 150 lakhs per annum. Then US is 140k to 180k lowest, highest is 180 to 250k per year. Then UK, it is lowest is 90k to 120k and highest is 120k to 160k. Then Australia, if you see, 140k to 170k and highest is 170k to 220k. Now, if you see all these kind of changes, the demand by sitting in India or anywhere, as long as you have laptop and internet, you can work for these roles. Obviously, you don't need to worry where you sit, in which country you are there, as long as you comply with the organization policies, all those. So these top portfolio are the proven for different roles basically in this salary bands. So now let us go to next one. Just I would like to compare the certification holders only with AI architect certifications and who create versus who create the value creator, who will be the value creator. So let us say left side, if you take trained AI cloud architect is there, he is building knowledge. He built knowledge already with the certification skills. He built the skills, knowledge, credentials, certifications. Okay. Now let us see right side. If portfolio proven AI cloud architect is there, what he will be able to handle it? He will be able to handle POCs. If you see in any company, initially they want to build a pilot project. Before building pilot project, they need to identify use case, problem definition. Then they need to work for the available data from the data layer concept, from the AI lifecycle. Then later on, they need to move forward for setting up the data lakes. On that, they need to build the proof of concept projects to show it to clients. Then later on, the same POC, if client agreed it, that need to be converted into pilot projects. So that these capabilities this guy has got, the portfolio proven AI cloud architect, because he has built in the past either through coaching or through some other companies the POCs, proof of concepts, and demos also he has through coaching. Then business impact is there with obviously with that POCs. He might have worked on different domains in the job coaching through the coach. Business domain, then each domain will have different solutions for the users also, for the business users. So those are going to be valued by the companies while selecting you as a cloud architect. Then outcomes are the business solutions. Basically, he has built small business solutions, but those can be scaled up, depends on the organization size. So now, what organizations are looking? Organizations are no longer asking, do you have the skills? Because that question is there in the past during non-AI era. Now in AI era, what they are asking? They ask, can you show the outcomes? What are the outcomes? This guy has gone through the portfolio based guy. He has done the POCs, demos, and business analysis he has done. All those are their proven demos through them. Now, who is going to be selected? Obviously, the portfolio based architect is going to be selected it with higher pay. Whatever I shown in the previous slide, the pay packages is going to get the higher packages. That's all. So we'll see next slide. In this slide, let us discuss the market changed what way. Most architects didn't know what it is changed the market. There are two paths and two outcomes are there. One is legacy cloud architect can convert into AI architect. But let us identify what is the role of the legacy architect. He builds the infrastructure management. He works on the infrastructure management. He does cloud migration and operations, cloud operations, then automation and scripting, like writing the infrastructure as a code, managing that IAC scripts on different platforms, then cost optimization for cloud and applying the cloud governance also, including the regulatory compliances for that business organization and applications. Then traditional DevOps you will be following and supporting that. So if you see here, there are no left side, there are no AI related activities. Okay. Now right side, if you see AI cloud architect, how he is going to perform it. We have seen his role also in the first, in the second slide. AI platform and services he will be building it. Then GPUs scaling up he will be doing with AI infrastructure. Then he will be working with ML ops and LLM ops, like agents building, agentic AI building, managing them, all those things. Then he will be doing data and AI pipelines, and he will be doing AI governance and repositories responsible for AI. There are responsible activities need to be documented, the decisions need to be documented, all that comes under compliance, regulatory compliances. He is responsible to do all those things. If he has been coached, yes, he has got all this kind of awareness and exposure also. He has done the demos also. Now, the cloud skills you built over years remain valuable if you are coming from cloud architect and transforming into AI architect through a coaching. But AI creates a new premium layer above them. Like, what is the salary band? If you see, salary growth 55 lakhs to 150 lakhs in India, and we have seen globally for different countries like India, USA, UK, and Australia in the previous slides. It applies the same for this person also. Now let us move to next one. In this slide, let us discuss the market phase for whom. They need to have proof, evidences, like what skills, what job skills they built it. It is not preparation like certified guys, they prepare for the interviews. So what it does, portfolios create trust by proofs, and trust creates opportunities. With that opportunities, obviously you don't need to work on salary packages. Obviously employers are going to offer you higher rates only, because they know very well if they don't offer you higher rates, you are going to jump into another organization after 3 months, because you build the experiences through the job coaching, right? Now, there are possibilities. You get XX also sometimes, it depends on the size of the company, size of the role, and within their budget also. So what you need to do here, you need to build your portfolio based profiles and not like building the certifications buckets. That's all. So in this slide, let us see, you don't need to start over from the beginning because you have already cloud architect experience. You need to scale up only in the AI era. So what are the scale up roadmap here? You will be working on the AI and AI foundations like building some kind of tasks for GenAI and LLMs and AI modules also. Then you will be working on the AI architecture related topics. Then you will be working on ML ops and LLM ops. So you, before coming to third phase, you have built already some small ML models with the help of the coach. Then those you are going to scaling up into ML ops and LLM ops also. You will be building some more agents also. You will be integrating them also with the planned AI architecture. And then you will be doing enterprise related AI portfolio where we will be working together. Then interview readiness will be there. Once you prepared all these things in 3 to 4 months duration, depends on the profile, background, what you have. Then you will be prepared, you will be making ready for the interview readiness also with profile making and walking through the job descriptions, and you will be putting into the portals with page design, all those things. So global opportunities you can attack at that time once your profile is ready for interviews. Then, as I mentioned in the previous slides, you have the salary bands in that countries. The minimum salary, maximum salary depends on the number of years experience you have built in the IT with cloud architect roles. So the fastest path to premium AI opportunities is not starting over. You are not starting from the beginning. You have already cloud architect experience. You know very well infrastructure management. You know about IT operations. You know about compliances, governances, all those things. You'll be reusing and converting them into AI modules, AI areas, AI practices. That's all. But if you go to the training, they won't give all these things. You won't get all this experience. You will not be able to build your own POCs with the help of the coach as a proof. The coach helped and you proved it in front of the coach. That is the proof organizations are looking for that. In fact, past of my students, they were well successful in getting the offers, whatever they needed. The organizations never bargained with them. The recruiters never screamed for the budget. They took him immediately. That's all in this slide. I have given my contacts also from the website. You can look for that.